revealed to the public the existence of a secret computer, which had been developed under the code name Project PX. The computer was called ENIAC, a massive electronic digital computer. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was the world's first large-scale digital electronic general-purpose computer. It was designed to be capable of being reprogrammed to solve a large number of numerical problems. ENIAC was conceived and designed by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert of the University of Pennsylvania. They headed up a team of engineers and others that worked on the ENIAC project, which began in 1943. The team that worked on the ENIAC included a large number of women who were instrumental in the detailed task of manually programming this giant machine. Programming was accomplished by setting switches and connecting wires according to specific instructions, which were first worked out on paper and then carefully carried out and tested. The ENIAC was a very large machine. It weighed over 30 tons. The ENIAC had a total of 40 panels and utilized 18,000 vacuum tubes, with 70,000 resistors and 10,000 capacitors. ENIAC also had its own dedicated power lines. To keep the vacuum tubes from overheating, the room was air-cooled. When ENIAC was announced in 1946, the news media called it a giant brain. Its computing speed was 1,000 times greater than that of electromechanical machines. This computational power, along with its general-purpose programmability, made it a technical marvel of its time. ENIAC's design and construction was financed by the United States Army. The construction contract was signed on June 5, 1943, and work on the computer began the following month. The cost of the ENIAC in 1946 was just under $500,000, which is equivalent to over $6 million today. ENIAC was initially designed to calculate artillery firing tables for the United States Army's Ballistic Research Laboratory. A typical ballistics calculation that previously might have taken 12 hours using a desktop mechanical calculator could now be done in just 30 seconds. The ENIAC's other applications included weather prediction, atomic energy calculations, cosmic ray studies, thermal ignition, random number studies, wind tunnel design, and other scientific uses. Here, output from one of ENIAC's printers is being produced. In this scene, we see brilliant ENIAC designers J. Presper Eckert on the left and John Mauchly on the right. They would continue their involvement in computer design and manufacture far beyond ENIAC in the years to come. Even before ENIAC was fully operational, both Eckert and Mauchly realized they could design and build a significantly more capable and efficient computer, incorporating some design improvements. They began working on a computer they called the EDVAC. EDVAC was delivered to the U.S. Army's Ballistics Research Laboratory in 1949 and made fully operational by 1951.